Dun dun! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's KhaozDreamz and we're at part 2 of Road to SubieFest for Southern California. Cannot wait. As you see in the background, we got the wheels back from Dent Wizard, who does the repairs of the wheels, a little bit of dents and so on and so forth. They powder coated it white like I wanted with nice gloss finish. It's gonna make it really pop. And this was the biggest thing that I wanted to tackle on the car. So the first thing we gotta do is to get these cleaned up and then prepped. Let me show you what I got on the table here. Let's get right to it. Okay, at the famous bench that you all know and love, so let's get started. So we gotta make sure we clean this up and then we're gonna protect it. For 8 months protection so it doesn't get all the brake dust and sit into the nice fresh paint that we just got powder coated and done. So I wanna make sure we protect it right. With that, we also have to fix these hubcaps that Option Lab was graciously to send to us. You can see there's some dents in them, and actually these are supposed to be red. So they gave us some new ones to put on for SubieFest. All right, so let's get to it. Got the rim on some nice cloth so we're not scraping on the bottom. With the wheels off, it's gonna make it a lot easier to clean. We gotta get deep down in all here. Like I said, they were able to repair our curb rash, if you will, and they made sure the paint inside the barrel and in here as well. Even though you're not gonna see it, it matters to me. This should be just fine by just getting all the wax and grime that came with the paint process, and then we'll get it nice and waxed and beautified. Let's do it. Cleaned up, the next thing we're gonna do is get this bad boy, and it's pretty spreadable to what I've seen on the video. So we're gonna get this all waxed up. It takes about 15 minutes for it to kind of bake in, to adhere to the paint. That way it gives it a solid protection for that 8 months. Go ahead and get that done and I'll be back. We're going to be letting this cure on there. I know you can't really see it from the video. You really want to protect your wheels. Obviously this is a good investment. It's definitely worth the time itself to protect those wheels, especially with all you guys with your Volks and everything. This would be something I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10. You just got to put the elbow grease into it. Other than that, guys, that's about it. We got to do this 3 more times, but I wanted to give you guys part 2 of the Road to SubieFest 2023 in July, and I cannot wait because we still got a lot more to do. Come back for more. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, dreams are not simple. Take care.